Little disclaimer, this is filmed on my iPhone. I don't have my camera here. We're rolling with the phone. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's actually afternoon. It's not the morning, but we have a very exciting video for you guys. This right here is the new sponsor for the channel, and I'm super hyped to make a video for this. So this right here is the new sponsor for the channel. It is HookeRoad. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but they basically make all the parts and off-roading for your trucks. So we have two trucks here. They make it for both trucks. Let me give you a breakdown. This is a bed rack for the F-150, so it'll be sitting right here, and I believe it's the same height as the roof. So when I get this all unboxed and I show you guys how it all goes together, this will allow me to put a rooftop tent on the truck, so then I can basically take the truck anywhere and camp anywhere. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so I got everything laid out. This is everything that it comes with. And then this is a picture of how it will look. So this right here will be sitting in the bed of the truck, where the rooftop camper can then go on the top and latch onto these things with all the hardware needed, and of course all the instructions. And just to show you, this is literally how the directions go. It's just, I think, like 8 parts that buckle up, and that's about it. I am a one-man army today. I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to put this together just by yourself. You don't need another person. All right, so this is how all of it looks. It's coated, so you don't have to worry about the weather messing this up. So the first steps on the instructions are showing that we have to take those pieces that we just unboxed and then the long one to go in the middle. This right here, I believe this is for the side. This will go on this part right here, so you can put like gas and stuff on it. That will come more in the future. But yeah, let's go ahead and start latching these up.
I can't do nothing with you.
All right, so this is how everything looks when it's all put together. Those two are already put up on top. In depth of what it is. So me, I know my bed length right here. I test fitted it, so it goes all the way until the end. So these can slide. I don't know if, yeah, that's not loose enough, but these can slide. All that's left to do is just to slap it on the bed. All right, well, there you guys go. That is how it all looks. Of course, it is not properly spaced. You guys can see that this is way closer than that. We do have middle parts over there, or actually right there. That's the middle part. It bolts up right there in the middle, and then it'll line haul this up. What I wanted to talk about and show you guys is these little pieces is what holds in the whole entire rack right here. There's a little lip right here, and it basically bolts up on this. So on your truck, it holds right here, and then it latches underneath. So watch, if I put that under, there you go. So it fits perfectly right on this bad boy. So when you tighten those together, this squeezes up, and then that makes it super sturdy. Unfortunately, it got a little dark on me. The sun's going down, so I think I'm gonna have to call it here, basically clean up, and then tomorrow I can finish everything else. Right now, it's pretty self-explanatory how to put this together. It's literally just washers, nuts, and then a bolt, and then you just line the holes up to your measurement on your bed. See, mine is, I have a 6-foot or 7-foot bed, so the length is gonna be a lot different than your guys's. So you're gonna have a different width, you're gonna have a different length. I measured it to my liking, and that's why there's a bunch of these holes right here. So you could slide it in and out, and then it can go and adjust to your length of your bed. With all that, I'm gonna go and clean up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Back out here, time to finish up the bed rack. But for now, time to get all this back on here, so then it's all square. So let's jump right into it. So the other thing I just noticed is that they include these foam pads that go underneath these little things. Has a double-sided tape on the other side. It's just so you don't mess up this. So if you have like a newer car, it won't mess up the plastic part. So I don't care too much about it. Like right here, yeah, you can see all of this is beat up, so I don't really care too much. But if you have a newer truck, definitely should probably put those foam pads on. All right, so I got the foam pads on this side, and then I also got it on this side. So all we need to do is just put it on this one, that one, and then these two right there. So now that I have them all together, it has all the foam pads on every single one. Now we're gonna lay in the middle centerpiece here so then it can all get lined up and we can see how far we have to slide them back and forth. Bolts, like so, and that goes into the... All right, there we go. So now we got the whole center lined up. So all we need to do is now put on the side ones that go right there, and then that will close it and get it to the set what we need it. I'm pretty sure this is how the length it's got to be, but to double check, put on the side things, and then we should be good to go. All right, so this is the middle piece I was talking about. So it's just gonna slap on like this, and it will bring in the corners once we put on everything. Just go ahead and slap them in. Same setup as always, the bolt and then the washer, and then the nut goes like that. There you go. Okay, so now we got the other piece. The other piece is gonna go like that. And just line right up. Three of the bolts right there. There you go. Now you got the last piece. That's on just like that. There you go. So as you guys can see, now that it's all hooked up, now you can make this whole entire cage square. If you left it all loose, now you can pull it this way, pull it that way, and then you just tighten up all the bolts all around and it'll get it all square. So that is what I'm gonna do, is tighten up everything to make sure everything is square. All right, so the box is all put up. You guys can see it's all done. So all we have to do now is just put in this little tiny brackets that go into the side. I had to take them off because when you make this all square, you have to take it off so you have more room. All right, about 10 minutes later, I have every single bracket in all around. So now let's test this bad boy out. This is how the completed unit looks. I have it extended to the maxed length on the truck because this is a long bed, so that is how it is. And the best thing about this is it won't block your rear view mirror. So when I have everything on here, I can still look out my back. Now the real test is to see if it holds up the weight. It says it holds up to 800 pounds static and then 400 when moving. All the stuff that I have going on the truck, which is the rooftop tent, water, gas, all the awning, all that stuff, I think it weighs around 250 pounds. So this should be able to hold it no matter what when I'm driving. Everything's together. Now, let's go ahead. Let's do the test. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing is starting. Look at that. Epic. Yeah, just to show you guys, see on the rear view mirror, so if you're using your stuff in the back, it totally blocks out the whole thing so you can see clearly out of your mirrors. So I don't know how good you guys are gonna be able to see this, but kinda, but you can see that you have total vision. Oh, there you go. You can see perfectly out the back, no problem. This clears the cab, so it does not get in your way when you're looking through the mirrors. So this is how the bed rack looks on the truck. You got it looking like that, and like I said, same height as the cabin right here. So there you go. That's how it all looks. And then when I have the rooftop tent on and everything else, everything will start coming together. Damn, I can already see how this truck is gonna come out when everything is built on it. Oh my goodness, it is gonna be a crazy build. So if you guys are looking for a bed rack to put a rooftop tent on, this is HookeRoad bed rack, and it comes with all different trucks. They make crazy amount. I'll put the link in the description. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is how it all comes out, and it's absolutely crazy, and I'm super stoked to get everything else in there. And I just wanted to say that this right here, it will be a lot easier if you have a couple people or you have another person to help you out, hold things. Me, I'm a one-man team most of the time. So I just wanted to show that you can put this together all by yourself, so you don't need another person. With all that, this is the end of the video. Go ahead and go check out their website. It will be linked in the description. Check out their Amazon page, because they do have an Amazon page, but they have a Black Friday sale going on. So make sure to go check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, because there's a lot coming for the truck. So if you can believe it, you can achieve it. See you guys.